just found out about the pickup box and I was all excited. I was like, this is like magic, man. This is great. I was like, how come I'm barely finding out about it now?
But they have Walmart will deliver too.
Yeah, but you have to do that Walmart Plus or pay the
Yeah.
shipping or whatever.
Or be on their membership or whatever.
Yeah.
One of the homies here is one of the surgeons' grocery shops at Walmart. That's where I was like, oh, I guess you could find healthy food there then, because I'm sure he's not eating junk or.
I get the baby's food from Walmart. But I like Costco. They have quality stuff.
Yeah. And then are you doing hard part or without?
Let's do hard part.
Do you
All right,
just,
so.
how do you style it?
Yeah, it's like
Okay. So it's right around the side. Okay. Kind of that flow back style. Yeah, you see it from the flow back through.
on that side,
Okay.
but then just come straight across.
Okay. I don't get anything like that. There's a health and strength coach for soldiers. So I follow EWG's stuff. They do the Dirty Dozen Clean 15 list. So the Dirty Dozen is you stay away from it or you get organic. And then the Clean 15 you consistently.
I trim those bangs better. And so then what do you got going on today?
Really nothing much. Probably was actually gonna go to
So what keeps you
Costco and
coming back here?
go
Oh, nice.
shopping,
Are you
and
like
that's
so
probably it. Clean the house. I gotta clean out the garage. We got a garage sale tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
I think. I never had,
Anybody ask you that?
well, no. I did go to this, there was a place down the street, I don't remember what it was called. But it was closed. I never had, like.
All right, this looks great.
Barber or stylist or whatever.
Okay.
So, I mean, sometimes the sport clips was convenient, right? And it's close to where I live, so. And it's a bad habit of waiting until my hair.
And then you
They're
get
cut
right
before.
away. Yeah.
So, well, that's what I can always get into too, it's always the same.
Okay. So like
First segment.
convenience.
Oh, so the consistency. What, the consistency of the cut, or? I've heard that before too. So that means they were going somewhere else. This is what that tells me. And the barber's cut wasn't the same. Meaning they either rushed him the second time, they weren't in it to win it. They're not consistent.
They didn't know what they were doing with the shears.
Well, it's
Well,
difficult to get the same person.
Well, no, the first one might have came out good. And then, you know, the second one, they get, sometimes the barber thinks they have them locked in. So they're like, you know, they don't do as good of a job, or they miss a neck shave, or there's just, you know, it ain't, or the haircut doesn't come out the same.
Yeah.
And like he said too, when you're at Sports Clips, you might find a great stylist that's a girl. She can cut hair. Haircut came out great. And then he goes back in. Haircut's great again. And then he goes back in and she's not there.
Yeah.
And he's got to sit with someone else. And
Okay.
I heard that those are big problems with those. So really, they should be bridging those gaps and letting those smaller places or cheaper places be a little bit more personable, and they'll hang on to more clients that way. Like, keep them with the same stylist,
You can request, right, through that,
but it's not guaranteed you're going to get them.
well, she literally quit there and went someplace else.
Oh, okay, never
Yeah.
mind.
So,
Well, that happens quite often. They don't stay there long. Just giving you that idea.
no,
Just
but-
because,
yeah, it's rough, I think, over there.
you know, so there's rules over there too, where it's like they have
Yeah, they
20
have to
minutes to
meet.
do the cut.
Well,
It's
they gotta meet like 15, 20 minutes. They got a timer. Their money's based on how fast they can get the cut done.
So then, how did you find us? Because coming from there to here is a big difference.
The internet.
What, Google or what? Oh, internet?
Yeah, I was just looking up like men's barbers and
Oh yeah,
who's your competitor?
Steel Blade Men's Salon.
Blade?
Yeah. Never embarrassed to say that. It's like to
But
the consistency of
remember
that
they
one.
are, but
Ooh,
yeah.
wow, that's
It's
beautiful.
fire.
Wow.
This is, and it's water based.
Well, and I mean, at Steel Blade, they make you get in a row. You know what I mean?
I want you to see really quick how
Sometimes I'll
awesome it
talk
looks
to them.
before I even put that in.
We just
And then
want
I'm gonna
them to
put that
get
in.
cut, and then we
Nice,
make
thank you.
them
Yeah, this is on fire. It's your hair. Watch. Wait till I put this in, and you'll see how the. Well, it's only going to get better, so it's shows the right place. And now watch me just dust this off. As this is part 2, the finishing of it. You guys saw part 1 and chopped it up into a couple of videos for you, and just add in some aftershave to a pad form. And
Wow, thank you.
what do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. It's
And watch.
awesome.
But I still want you to stand up and really actually forget about this. Watch, just because real quick. It's like stand up in the mirror and look without this shit on. And so look right over, yeah. Now make sure that looks sick.
Hell yeah.
And what do you think? You like it?
Oh, I love it, man.
All right. Oh yeah, dope. And then we got Stephanie's on her work. Want a haircut? All right.